Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now you'll know that it's in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, I get like a solid blue light here. Then it turns off. The reason is because I'm connected to a device that's around me. I think I'm connected to my iPhone. So for me, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you do that is you can use the right or left earbud, it doesn't matter. But we're going to use the touchpad. You see the JBL logo? What we're going to do is we're going to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing or until you see both lights blinking blue. Okay, I'm just going to use the right one here. I'm not even going to put it in my ear. We're just going to go with it right now, see if I can do it, okay? So that the touchpad, the JBL logo, ready? Tap, tap, and hold. Keep holding for like 8 seconds or so, and just wait for it to start blinking blue. There we go. I did it my first time. And it would have said, it said pairing, but I didn't have it in my ear. And also now you can see both of them are blinking blue. So now we're in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and shoot over to our TV, go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, you can navigate to the home screen, click on the home button on your remote. And then from here, you want to navigate to that little gear icon, your settings icon. So we're going to go up right there, select that. And now make sure that the settings button is highlighted up there again, and we're going to select that. Now we're going to go down one, go down to sound, select that, and now we're going to go down one to sound out. Right now it says sound out TV speaker. That's where the audio is coming out of, but we want the audio to come out of these earbuds, right? So we're going to select sound out. And now we're going to go down to use wireless speaker. Okay, select that. And then we're going to select on Bluetooth device. Select that. Now, there's a little spinny thing here on the very bottom. And it's that spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And it already did find the earbuds here. Again, they're still in pairing mode. It did find it. So now you just got to go down. Just highlight it and then click on OK on the remote. It says connecting. The earbuds said connected, and it says connected there and up there as well. And you can see that we are currently connected. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description area below.